Hey, it is Wednesday, which means it's our Wednesday exercise of the week. My name is Emmanuel Osiseri, your online personal trainer and wellness coach, and today we're going to be continuing our stationary weightlift machine series with bicep curls. Alright, so here we go. We want to make sure that you're adjusting the seat in the same exact way that you did last week's tricep videos. You want to pull out that knob and adjust it up or down, and you want to make sure that your arms are stationary on that pad, comfortable at about 90 degrees. As usual, our feet are squared shoulder width apart and we're ready to go. So in the cable bicep video, we went over how to simply bring our arms up simply by focusing on squeezing our bicep muscles. So with this machine, it's the same exact thing. As we squeeze, our arms are going to come up. Squeeze, our arms are going to come up. Lastly, you want to make sure that you're picking a comfortable enough weight so that you're able to move your arms up and down in a nice, slow, and controlled fashion. Okay, I don't want to see any of this fast herky-jerky stuff. That's no good. And guys, that is it. You now know how to do a bicep curl on a bicep weightlift machine. And as usual, I had a blast making this video for you guys. Don't forget to hit that like button, leave a comment, tap that subscribe button, and let's do this again sometime.